Welcome to Nugget of Knowledge. Today we're going to talk about monkeys. We're going to talk about seals. We're going to talk about Martians. Stay tuned. It's awesome. It's awesome.
Nugget of Knowledge!
Welcome to the Science Garage. I'm going to drop a nugget of knowledge on you. Scientists have done this crazy thing with the brains of their monkeys. They took some genes, they included some proteins that are light sensitive, and they dropped them into the monkey brains. These proteins are light sensitive. If you have one kind, you can make neurons fire. If you have the other kind, you can make neurons not fire. What would you do with that? They're going to make the monkeys behave differently. What they did is they looked at the monkey's eyes and then they made them twitch differently. Sometimes they turn them on, the monkey's eyes would twitch. Sometimes they turn them off, monkey's eyes don't twitch. On, twitch. Off, no twitch. On, twitch. Off, no twitch. It's crazy. But what's the point? People with Parkinson's, a major treatment is they'll drop an electrode down in their brain. It's called deep brain stimulation. They turn on the electrode, give you a little tingle, and that helps get rid of some of your symptoms. If you could do this with light instead of electricity, it might be less invasive. They can just drop a really thin fiber optic down there, turn on an LED, you're good to go. And then they can turn it on, off, on, off. And you can make your symptoms go away. It's sweet. You could do this with obsessive compulsive disorder. You could do it with gambling, addiction. It's pretty cool. Are we gonna see any people? Maybe, maybe not. We don't know yet, but it's promising. Nugget dropped.
John Carter, not John Connor. Oh, it's the other way.
Hey, remember that time in Terminator 2 when the Terminator went back in time to kill John Carter? Well, now we've got a robot to help people. Japanese researchers made a therapeutic seal named Paro. He has little feelings, he responds to touch. He's really nice. So what UC Irvine researchers are gonna do is they're gonna give them to chemotherapy patients. They're gonna see one group will have the seal, one group will not. And they're gonna see which group has a better survival rate or a better standard of living. The idea being was that back in the 80s, patients who had pets were more likely to survive after heart surgery. And let's see what happens. Fingers crossed.
Martians.
On Monday, August 6th, early morning, $2.5 billion monstrosity known as the Mars Curiosity landed. Well, its main purpose is to 1, figure out if life really existed on Mars, and 2, figure out what's necessary to actually have human travel to Mars. What I mean by that is they're going to try and figure out the radiation levels in Mars so you can design an adequate spacesuit to make it work and you don't die and have nasty children and green men. Oh, so close. So close. Not only that, one really cool fact, they've got lasers attached on board. These lasers are gonna go around and blast rocks to oblivion. Nugget dropped.
So that's the stories for this week. Make sure to sign up, like us on Facebook, subscribe, follow us on Twitter. If you have any comments, write them in the comments section. We look forward to hearing you and to give you some more nuggets of knowledge.
Nugget of Knowledge!